In the yard. Can I go scare them?
Rob, how come there are lots of birds?
Because they like the grapes here.
No, over there, they're blackbird.
Yeah.
Black and brown birds out there.
The woodpecker knock on the wall.
I heard them this morning. I go,
So
what?
I go and yell at him, and all the birds on the grass flew off from the tree.
I want to go scare them, okay? I want to go run through them. I'll be back.
I don't know what they're eating, but we're after something.
It must be the worms because you know it just rained not too long ago. Early bird gets the worm. Ugh.
You want me to cook it a little longer?
Don't worry, Busa. I'll be back. Here we go. Look at them go. Look at them. They're in their trees. Little birds. Look at them go. Alright, I'm sorry. You can go back. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The birds are still in your bait. You could tell by the little holes in the ground.
Go pee before I put you in.
I already bought them for a long walk
Okay,
before.
come on. Let's go. Get in the beer. Get in there.
So,
Get in there.
you should be good for an hour or two.
Get in there. Come on. Get up in there.
Go, Busa, go. Let's get a running start.
Look at the dirty feet you got. Look at all the dirt you're getting on there.
Well, I had to park it in the dirt, right? He's gonna go get a shower. A shower. Oh, I don't know if you could tell, but he got cleaned not too long ago. So I'm just taking for him a little walk, and then we're just gonna chill inside. But yeah, nothing else crazy today. I think that was it. Just scaring off the birds in the morning, and then bringing this guy to get showered. So he'll be clean for a good while. He looks really nice. It's probably really hard to tell on camera though. But yep, that'll be it for today's video. Bye bye. Bye bye now.